Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about what happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day. Running is an excellent form of exercise that not only helps you maintain a healthy weight but also boosts your mental health. So, if you're someone who's considering adding running to your daily routine, this video is for you. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over some tips that you should keep in mind before starting your daily run. 1. Get a good pair of running shoes that provide good support and comfort to your feet. 2. Start with a warm-up session to prevent injury and improve your performance. 3. Gradually increase your pace and distance to avoid overexerting yourself. 4. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water before, during, and after your run. 5. Incorporate strength and flexibility exercises in your routine to improve your running form and prevent injuries. Now that we've got that covered, let's talk about what happens to your body when you run for 30 minutes every day. First and foremost, running for 30 minutes every day can help you maintain a healthy weight. It burns a significant amount of calories and improves your metabolism, making your body more efficient at burning fat. Running also strengthens your cardiovascular system. It increases your heart rate and blood circulation, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. It also helps regulate your blood pressure and lowers your cholesterol levels. Moreover, running is a great way to improve your mental health. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that reduce stress and anxiety levels. Running can also improve your self-esteem and confidence. Running for 30 minutes every day can also help you sleep better. It allows you to sleep faster and for a longer period of time. It can also help with the symptoms of sleep disorders such as insomnia. So, there you have it, folks. Running for 30 minutes every day can have numerous benefits for your physical and mental health. But, as with any exercise, it's important to start slow and gradually increase your intensity to avoid injury. Remember to stay hydrated and incorporate strength and flexibility exercises in your routine. Thank you for spending time watching this video. We hope you found it educational and beneficial. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Have fun running!